Have you ever wondered how it would be if you can speak in multiple languages even without learning them? Something like this.
从电影、书籍到演告，这些偏见已经存在了很长时间。लेकिन क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि क्या हमारा अनुकूल पड़ोसी AI सिस्टम पक्षपाती है? Muchos procesos de solicitud de empleo se realizan ahora en línea.
I've got so many messages asking me to demonstrate how I have created this video. Honestly, I really don't know how to speak most of those languages, but today we'll dive deeper and learn how to do that using 11 Labs. Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this channel is all about educational tools, tips, and technology. So if you don't want to miss out on all the fun, please make sure you subscribe. I am on 11labs.io. I will leave a link in the description box below. And here I want to show you that I'm using a free account. I'm not paying for this account, but they do have multiple options if you want to give it a shot. They have $1 a month, they have $11 a month. So this website basically dubs your voice, it synthesizes your voice and changes it into multiple languages. So let's go ahead and start with the first tab here, which is speech synthesis. Here you have your settings. So right now I am under settings Bella, but let's just say you want Charlie. And Charlie is Australian accent. Where is Charlie? Yeah, Australian accent, casual and conversational. So I went ahead and picked Charlie. And here it's my voice settings are stability, and I have clarity and similarity enhancement. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. I'm going to leave this where this is right now. And here it's asking me to use 11 multilingual V2. I'm just going to say switching to the model, whatever it suggests, I'm switching it. Keep in mind, I'm using an absolutely free account, so I'm not messing with a lot. So once I have this, this is just the voice synthesis. And here I said, happy teaching, please take care of yourself. And let's go ahead and generate.
Happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.
That's in Charlie's voice in Australian accent. Let's try Bella.
Happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.
Well, that's Bella for you. Now, if you want to go ahead and change your voice settings to stability, to clarity, you can move things back and forth and see which one suits the best for you. But again, today we are not here for voice, we are here for the video. So let's go ahead and click on dubbing. You can click on projects and it'll give you all the list of projects that you have. So here's dubbing, and as you can see, I have uploaded a video, 30 seconds video of me talking. And here I have it in Bulgarian. I have quite a few Bulgarian friends. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Нашата история е пълна с полови стереотипи. От филми до книги до реклами, тези предразсъдъци са съществували от векове. Но някога ли сте се чудили дали нашата...
That's Bulgarian for you. Let's go ahead and look at Hindi.
हमारा इतिहास लिंग पक्षपात के स्थानीय उदाहरणों से भरा हुआ है. फिल्मों से लेकर पुस्तकों तक, विज्ञापनों तक.
So to go ahead and dub yourself in multiple languages, all you have to do is click on create new dub. I'm going to name the project as sample. In here, you can pick the language that you spoke. I just recorded a video for this particular video here. So I'm going to go ahead and click English, and I'm going to select the language here. Well, let's pick Spanish, and I'm going to click and upload, which would be the first video that I see. I'm going to click open. It's always a good practice to see if I have audio, because sometimes I do forget.
Have you ever wondered how it would be if you could speak in multiple languages even without learning?
So the audio is working. That's good. Now let's go ahead and create. It doesn't take too long. It says 43 seconds and it's still working in the background. I'm going to pause the video, come back when it's done. So the video has been dubbed and it's ready for me to view. So I'm going to go ahead, click on view.
¿Alguna vez te has preguntado cómo sería si pudieras hablar en varios idiomas sin siquiera aprenderlos? Bienvenido.
Well, there you go. That was me in Spanish. Now you have an option to download this or completely remove it and re-upload. So what I did was I recorded or dubbed myself into multiple languages, and I used Adobe Premiere Pro to simply go ahead and join all of them. You can use any video editing software, and there you have your completely multi-language video available to you. Here's a handy tip for educators working with multilingual classes. Imagine the impact of creating customized videos for your students tailored to meet their specific linguistic needs. This approach not only ensures your classes are inclusive, but also fosters that deep connection with your students. I hope this video inspires you to create engaging multilingual content, even if you're not fluent in those languages. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to share it with other educators, as we are always striving to make our classes more inclusive. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself